Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to your PS5. First, take the USB mini transmitter that comes with your headset. Plug this transmitter into one of the USB ports on the front of your PS5 console. Make sure it is fully inserted so the system can detect it properly. Next, pick up your headset. Locate the power button on the ear cup. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the headset turns on. You should see a light indicator on the headset. Now wait a moment. The headset and the USB transmitter will automatically try to pair with each other. When the connection is successful, both LED lights will turn solid. This means your headset is now connected to the PS5. After that, you need to adjust the audio settings on your PS5. Go to the home screen and open Settings. From there, scroll down and select Sound. Then choose Audio Output. Inside Audio Output, set the output device to Stealth 600 Gen 2 or Gen 3 USB, depending on your model. This ensures that all sound goes through your headset. Next, set output to headphones to all audio. This allows you to hear both game sound and chat audio through the headset. Finally, set the volume control for headphones to maximum. You can later adjust the volume directly on the headset if needed. Thanks for watching.